Today, I'll walk you through how to send an audio file on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to share your voice messages so you can connect with your friends in a fun and personal way. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your device. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Once you're on the camera page, look for the chat icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on it to open your chat list. This is where all your conversations are stored. Next, find the conversation with the friend you want to send an audio message to and open it. This is similar to opening a letter to share your thoughts, but in this case, it's all about your voice. Now to send a voice message, simply press and hold the microphone icon located in the text box at the bottom of the screen. This action is like pressing the record button on a tape recorder. It captures your voice in real time. Speak your message clearly, and when you're done, release the microphone icon. Once you've recorded your voice message, you'll see a stop icon appear. Tap on it to stop the recording. You can listen to your recorded audio before sending it, just like previewing a song before sharing it with friends. If you're happy with your message, go ahead and hit send. However, if you decide that you don't want to send it after all, simply click the delete icon. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Just take your time to ensure you're sending exactly what you want. As of now, Snapchat doesn't support attaching MP3 files directly in chats. But don't worry, there's a workaround. You can send a snap and add an audio filter using the available sounds on Snapchat. This way, you can still share your favorite tunes or create a fun atmosphere for your snaps. In summary, sending audio messages on Snapchat is a straightforward process. Just remember to open the app, navigate to your chat, record your message, and either send or delete it as you see fit. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.